Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify this sometimes confusing world of international tax and the privilege of having a deep conversation with Mark. Mark, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Mark Morris. I'm based in Switzerland. I've been here for about 26 years. I've specialized in automatic exchange of information, which originally was the EU Commission's EU Savings Tax Directive. And that went on until about 2014, and they scrapped that and they adopted the OECD's FATCA made into CRS.
So can you share with us what it is you do professionally?
Primarily, I provide custodial services for trusts to hold underlying entities or partnerships or unincorporated funds. So what I do is I provide the administration services for the custodial. I don't do the actual custody. And later on, I'll explain what administration services for custodial is. And I'm an expert in CRS and CARF, and I certainly know the intricate differences between CARF and CRS. We'll get into that in a later question, okay? I've published over 600 articles on LinkedIn, and I'm still writing about 10 a week. And I don't see other people covering 99% of the topics on CRS that I cover.
Okay, thank you.
What do you anticipate happening with the US and CARF?
That's a good question, because I've seen so many comments. At last, we're going to get it. They said they support the pledge. And I wrote very harsh articles against those people commenting on there. There's no ways, not in a million years, that the US will adopt the CRS version of CARF, because then it opens up the books to CRS. It's also that the Treasury Department has a list of countries that they feel safe that they can exchange information to. So it's not the ones that they have double tax treaties with. They just name 51 countries. They don't publish what the criteria for safe means. So it gets back even to this Corporate Transparency Act, where foreign authorities can access the beneficial owners of companies, but not if you're off that 51 list. You see how important that list of 51 is. So what was very interesting, Switzerland, they were the first ones to come out with a list of countries we'll exchange information with when they implement CARF. I think there were 99 on the list. But guess who wasn't on that list? America, because they know that we're not going to be exchanging with them.
Yeah.
So that is the first type of authority to acknowledge America's not going to join CARF. They might have something else about brokers in there, but I don't think they're going to exchange information. That'll be domestic type of CARF.
Gotcha.